Yeah, I've actually got the exemption for wearing a mask. Apparently, I don't have to show a card either on that particular note. I'm doing this for the project here and for those people watching at home. Now, of course, I'm just going to tell you this now. I've just literally arrived from Cambridge this morning at 13 minutes past 10. Yeah, that's 13 minutes past 10 from Cambridge, and this time we didn't have a signal problem and the train has been running smoothly. I'm now in Wyndham, you can just see it there, and shortly arriving in Norwich. We should see the Norwich City football ground. There is a Norwich United, but of course the main one is the one that's in the Premiership, the famous Norwich City Football Club. And it's turned out quite nice. So apparently you don't have to show an exemption card under the government law to wear a face mask. I can't say it. A face mask. A face mask. So yeah, for those people who have struggling difficulties with wearing one, then officially you don't have to wear one. And you don't even have to actually show an exemption card, but you can do if you want to, according to the government law. I have a feeling it's going to be nice weather. When you see these trees, you know pretty much you're in Norwich. I literally got up about 7 o'clock this morning, roughly speaking. Got the 7:57 bus to Cambridge, and I sat inside quietly and had a coffee and Costa coffee, and I made it just in time to collect my tickets for the period turn. That's what you need to get, a period return, and that enables you to get back to Cambridge within a month. That's quite a good idea. I think buses should actually come up with that idea, but they don't at the moment. Something that we could do in the future to get more people coming on buses. So yeah, I remember my bus driver was by the name of Matt, who said the weather is awful. That's what he said. The weather was awful in Hayward. Not very nice to go to a Great Yarmouth, but it might be better here, and it looks like it is so far. Once you arrive in Wyndham, which is spelt an unusual way, and I'm not going to actually spell it out for you, but once you arrive in Wyndham on train, you know you're not far from Norwich there, and we're literally just coming through to Norwich now. That's my drink there. I've got low battery, so yeah, I'm going to have to use this battery pack in just a second. Looks like we're not going to be able to see the Norwich City football ground because the train is slowly pulling through, but I'll take photographs of it. Alright, look out for that.